Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. On the hourly time frame chart, Bitcoin is breaking down another ascending triangle. We had a sudden sell-off. It dropped up to $38,987, and now you can see candlesticks are leaving this triangle on a very small time frame chart. And in today's video, we will take a look at whether we are going to break down this bigger support or not. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall this pattern there, because this pattern or this trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 23rd of January has a lot of strong connection with today's analysis. And this was a very big harmonic bullish reversal Cypher pattern. We had a very big hidden bullish divergence as the price line was forming higher low than previous low, and this oscillator, the RSI, was forming lower than previous low. And we also had strong support of the 100 simple moving average as well. Our buying zone was from $36,100 and goes to $28,800. This is very important. And our sell targets were from $46,339 and goes to approximately $57,000. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved up, rallied very well up to $48,189, and now we are moving towards this potential reversal zone once again. So far we are still moving above this potential reversal zone. Now if we take a look at this live daily time frame chart, then here we have already broken out this down channel that I'm telling you in my every video almost, and we have formed this rising wedge pattern, and now we are at the support of the rising wedge. This support is very important, this trend line that I have placed here. This is the $39,500 support, and also this support is important. That is the support of the rising wedge pattern, and we can see that previously this support of $39,500 has been breaking as a nice support here, and it has been breaking as a nice support here back in September 2021. Back in June 2021 it was breaking as a resistance here, and here as well in May 2021. And before that, back in January 2021, it was breaking as a resistance. Therefore, it is very important support. If we will break down this support of $39,500 and we will have the closing below this level on the daily time frame, then there will be a very high probability that we will also break down the support of the rising wedge pattern. And in case of breakdown, our target to the downside of this rising wedge pattern will be $33,000. And that is the bottom of this wedge. And for example, if we will drop here at $33,000, then you can see it is also another very strong support. Previously it has been breaking as a support here, as a support here, as a support here, and as a support here as well, and here as well. Therefore it can again work as a strong support, and we will also drop down inside this potential reversal zone of the big Cypher move once again. Therefore there will be a very high probability that we will have another reversal from there. But again, we can expect this drop if we will break down this support of the rising wedge pattern. Right now you can see that Bitcoin is just touching the spikes at this support. We had a spike here, we had a spike here, then we had a spike here, and another spike we had here recently, and right now we are again at this support of the rising wedge pattern. Let me to switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart. Then you can see that we had this spike here, and right now we have just touched here when we dropped at $39,987 in the previous hour. Let me change it to the hourly time frame chart. You can see we had this spike in the previous hour, and we are again above this support. So therefore I'm expecting that unless we will not break down this support, we will not go to the next support of $33,000. And if we take a look at the oscillators, yes, we have a very big hidden bullish divergence, like price line is forming higher low than previous low, stochastic is forming lower than previous low, and the RSI is also forming lower than previous low. Therefore we also have a hidden bullish divergence. So it is not confirmed that we are going to we are in uptrend. you can see that we are in uptrend. If this support will be broken down and price line will form another lower than previous low, then this hidden bullish divergence will be also invalidated, and then we can say that the Bitcoin is now going to turn bearish, and a trend can be changed from there. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description. I shared. Take care. Goodbye.